We're going to have a quick point of view shooting session with the Glock 22 40 caliber. You can see that it's currently not loaded. This is where you're actually looking down the sight line of the gun, because I'm going to be aiming it through the viewfinder of the camera. That's kind of neat. Now, speaking of camera, this is also a test for a new Sony HD camcorder, high definition. So if you thought I was ugly in the past, that's only going to get worse. But on the bright side, the guns are going to look much better. The Glock 22 has a 4.5-inch barrel. It is probably the most dominant handgun in the U.S. law enforcement market. Today I'm shooting Winchester white box, 180 grain, full metal jacket. I have a small sampling of steel targets set up in the backyard. Distances will be less than 50 yards.